On the 5th May this month, the Constitutional Court nullified the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Control Act of 2016, citing lack of quorum when Parliament passed it. The law had banned the use of narcotics, including Khat, causing excitement among Khat farmers.
But our crop is not dangerous. We want our crop to be excluded in those things they think are bad, or drug which they call narcotic. Ours is not. So even if the law comes back and they pass it, the quorum is enough, we are going still to challenge it.
Some MPs are moving to reintroduce the bill. Now, the lawyers under the Center for Legal Aid representing Khat farmers have cautioned Parliament to go slow on the matter. In their letter dated 18th May 2023, they are warning Parliament not to include Khat in their proposed bill.
The caution is to avoid the mistakes of the past. That case was argued, fully argued, although court did not go into the merits concerning whether or not Khat should be listed as a prohibited drug or psychotropic substance. So it's a well-intentioned caution to Parliament and all stakeholders that before you proceed, can you try to resolve and avert the mistakes of the past? Because as it stands, inclusion of Khat in that law may not pass the constitutional muster.
On Monday this week, police spokesperson Fred Nanga said despite its nullification, police have an alternative law, the National Drug Authority Act, to deal with the problem.
It prohibits the possession of narcotics without lawful excuse. Under 48, prohibits the smoking of opium or Indian hemp, even use of premises by persons smoking opium. Section 49 prohibits without consent of the minister the cultivation of plants yielding narcotics. So we are very aware of the plants that yield narcotics.
Let them point to us that specific provision where Khat is specifically prohibited. Khat has never been, and in all the laws that we've had from the time we became a protectorate, no law has ever prohibited Khat. In any case, the first law that otherwise prohibited Khat expressly was the Narcotic Drugs Act, which was finally struck down by the Constitutional Court.
They also want Parliament to carry out enough consultations and scientific research before they introduce the same law.
Before you enact a law, you must base on scientific evidence. We wonder why the members of Parliament have not yet considered this evidence such. Let them widely consult all the stakeholders, because by simply including this one plant into this law, you're having so many people that you're affecting.
Jingo Francis, NTV.